Hey everyone, welcome back to Kalel Vlogs. Today, we are diving into one of Oshawa's hidden gems, the stunning lake view. This isn't just any lakeside. This is where nature meets community, where the city's hustle feels like a million miles away. So, if you are looking to unwind, have fun, or just soak up some sun, you are in the right place. Let's explore everything that makes Lakeview Oshawa's ultimate outdoor playground. Alright, let's start under these beautiful sprawling trees that provide the perfect spot to kick back and relax. Look around. Families are spread out on blankets, enjoying a good old-fashioned picnic, while some are diving into their favorite books or just taking a nap under the cool shade. It's like nature's living room out here. Now, the playgrounds here are a whole vibe. Look at the kids. They are climbing, swinging, and sliding on some of the coolest play structures in the area. You've got those colorful slides, jungle gyms, and swings that are always packed with energy and laughter. Parents, you will love this spot because it's safe, clean, and right next to these shady spots, so you can chill while keeping an eye on the little ones. And if you are thinking it's just for the kids, think again. Right here under the trees, you'll often find groups doing yoga, people practicing Tai Chi, or fitness buffs running circuit training sessions. It's like the perfect blend of relaxation and community vibes. Now, for all the fishing enthusiasts out there, Lakeview's got you covered. Whether you are a seasoned angler or just starting out, the fishing scene here is something you have to experience. Grab your rod, cast your line, and who knows, you might reel in a nice catch of bass, pike, or perch. You will see folks, young and old, lining the docks, sharing tips, and celebrating every catch. It's not just about the fish, it's about the chill, the quiet, and the joy of being out here, one with nature. And even if you don't catch anything, it's still a win. You are surrounded by these incredible lake views, the sounds of water lapping against the shore, and the occasional distant laughter of kids playing. It's peace on a whole new level. As we move along the shoreline, it's impossible not to get lost in the serene beauty of this place. Check out the beach area, soft sand, perfect for kicking off your shoes and feeling the ground beneath your feet. Whether you are building sand castles, playing beach volleyball, or just lying back with your feet in the water, the shoreline is where the magic happens. You've got people jogging, walking their dogs, or just taking a sunset stroll with their loved ones. And that fresh lake breeze is like nature's air conditioning, making it the perfect spot to cool down on a hot day. The shoreline really is the heart of Lakeview, where everyone gathers to soak in those stunning views of Lake Ontario. So what's the real vibe at Lakeview? It's like a living canvas of Oshawa's community spirit. One moment, you are seeing a group having a yoga class under the trees. The next, there's a pop-up food truck serving fresh eats by the beach. On weekends, this place comes alive with music. Sometimes you will catch local bands jamming, people dancing, or someone strumming a guitar by the water. New visitors, here's what to expect. Come prepared for a day of unexpected joys. Bring your picnic gear, maybe a fishing rod, and definitely your sense of adventure. Whether it's a quiet day spent lounging under the trees, an active day cycling along the trails, or just a chance to breathe in the fresh air and reset, Lakeview is your go-to spot. And hey, keep your eyes open. There are always cool surprises around here, from spontaneous group fitness classes to art installations popping up along the path. Every visit feels like a new adventure. Alright folks, if you haven't been to Lakeview yet, what are you waiting for? This place is more than just a park. It's a slice of paradise right here in Oshawa. Whether you are looking to connect with nature, have some fun with family and friends, or just find a peaceful escape, Lakeview has something for everyone. So grab your sunscreen, your fishing gear, and your sense of adventure, and make your way down here. Now let's look at do's and don'ts at Oshawa's Lakeview. Alright, now let's talk about the things you can do and a few things you might want to avoid. While you are at Oshawa's Lakeview, knowing the do's and don'ts will not only help you enjoy your time here, but also keep this beautiful spot clean, safe, and fun for everyone. So whether you are a local or it's your first time visiting, let's break it down. Let's start with the fun stuff and the things you can do here. And trust me, there's plenty. Number 1, picnicking and barbecues. There are several designated picnic areas where you can set up your blanket, bring your food, and enjoy a meal with a view. If you are feeling a little more adventurous, some areas even have barbecue pits where you can grill up some delicious eats, perfect for a family day out. Number 2, fishing. As mentioned earlier, fishing is one of the top activities at Lakeview. It's open to everyone. Just make sure you have your fishing license if you are over 18, as required by Ontario's regulations. Number 3, cycling and jogging. The trails along the lakeside are perfect for cycling, jogging, or a casual stroll. These paths are wide and well maintained. So whether you are in the mood for a quick bike ride or a long leisurely walk, you are good to go. Number 4, dog walking. Lakeview is a dog-friendly spot. Bring your furry friend along for a walk, but remember to keep them on a leash and always clean up after them. There are several dog waste bins along the path, so no excuses. Number 5, photography and bird watching.
Oh wow, from 2 days ago. Yeah. Right here? Wow. It's very big. Wow. Oh, that's nice.
If you are into photography or just enjoy a quiet moment with nature, this is a prime spot. Capture stunning views of the lake and keep an eye out for some incredible bird species that frequent the area, especially during migration seasons. Number 6, kayaking and canoeing. On certain parts of the lake, you can launch your kayak or canoe. It's a great way to experience Lakeview from a different perspective. Just make sure to check which areas are open for water activities before you head out. Number 7. Community events. Lakeview often hosts community events like outdoor yoga sessions, fitness classes, and local markets. Check the city's event calendar to see what's coming up. You never know when you might stumble upon something fun. Now let's look at things you cannot do at the Lakeview. Now, while Lakeview is all about enjoying the outdoors, there are a few important rules to keep in mind to ensure everyone has a great experience. Here are some things you should avoid. Number 1. Loitering. No loitering. This is a big one. Folks, keep Lakeview clean by disposing of your trash in the bins provided. If you are picnicking, remember to pack out whatever you pack in. Leaving trash behind not only spoils the experience for others, but also harms the wildlife that call this place home. Number 2. No swimming. Although the water looks inviting, swimming is not allowed in certain parts of the lake due to safety concerns. Check for a signage that clearly indicates whether it's safe to swim or not. Number 3. No alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol is prohibited in the parks unless there's a special event permit. Enjoy your day responsibly. Swap out that beer for a refreshing lemonade or iced tea. Number 4. No fireworks or open fires. As tempting as it might be to have a bonfire by the beach, open fires and fireworks are not allowed. This rule is in place to keep everyone safe and to protect the environment. Number 5. No disturbing wildlife. Respect the animals that live here by observing from a distance. Feeding the birds or any wildlife can disrupt their natural behaviors and diet. So keep your snacks to yourself and just enjoy watching them from afar. Number 6. No off-leash dogs. While your furry friends are welcome, they must be on a leash at all times. This rule helps prevent any accident or unwanted encounters with other visitors. Number 7. No loud music or amplified sound. It's all about keeping the serene vibes alive. So please, no blasting music or setting up speakers that disrupt the peace. Lakeview is about relaxing, not rocking out. Save that for your backyard. Number 8. No unauthorized selling or vending. Unless you have a permit, selling goods or setting up a vending booth isn't allowed. This keeps the space focused on recreation and enjoyment for everyone. Number 9. No camping or overnight stays. Lakeview closes at dusk, so no setting up tents or trying to camp out overnight. It's a daytime escape, not a campsite. So there you have it. Lakeview is a paradise for anyone looking to connect with nature, have some fun, or just relax by the water. Just remember to respect the space, follow the rules, and keep it clean so everyone can continue to enjoy this beautiful lakeside for years to come. If you haven't visited Lakeview yet, make it your next stop. Bring your friends, your family, or just yourself and discover why this place is such a beloved spot for the Oshawa community. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with all our latest adventures here on Khalil Vlogs. See you on the next one. Bye bye.